My dad's gonna be recording all of my plushies. If you don't know what plushies are, they're stuffed animals. And then I'm gonna be showing you all of them and telling you what they do and what games they're from. Starting off with Bombird. He's from the original Angry Birds. You launch him out of the slingshot, and then he blows up. He's from the original Angry Birds. And from Angry Birds Star Wars, it's Leia. Leia, she moves stuff. She's from Star Wars. Icebird's from Angry Birds Space. It's an app. It's cool. All the Angry Birds get turned into space characters. And this guy, he's the main character. You launch him, and then he freezes, and if you just let him crash, he turns into a big ice block. Next character, Matilda. You launch her out of the slingshot, and she poops right out of the egg. She flies away after. She's from the original Angry Birds. Han Solo, he's Chuck, but he has hair and clothes and a holster for his gun. And then, if you don't know what, he's from the same movie as she, and he shoots with lasers. And moving on to Vader. Vader, he's from Angry Birds Star Wars 2 and Angry Birds Star Wars 1, from the same movie these are from. And you only use a pig one time in Angry Birds Star Wars, the first one. You use him to defeat the Emperor. And it's so cool when you use him. That's why I was like, they should make a second one and put him in there. And in the second one, he brings everything to him, and he throws everything away. He does that with the Force. And then he was actually Anakin, and then he died. He didn't die, but he just got really burnt from the lava. Because it was worn down in the lava. Terrence. He's from the original Angry Birds. You launch him and then he just crashes. Done. Bluebird. You launch him out of the slingshot and he turns into 3. Chewbacca. He's Terrence in Angry Birds Star Wars. He just crashes. Female Redbird, she's not in the game. But she is really cool. Next, Red. He's not in the game either. He's from the movie. Red. He just crashes. I don't know why. He's not like Terrence, he does a lot of damage. He just crashes out. Next, Easter Red. I got this from Easter, but I don't think he's in the game. Stormtrooper Pig. He's from Angry Birds Star Wars, and the second one he just shoots. And I forgot to tell you, I'm gonna be telling you all what the game's about, and I'm gonna do it. Like explain it, and then I'm gonna do it. This is Bubbles. You watch him, and then he poofs up into a big balloon. I'll have an extra one. Luke, he's in the Star Wars one. He just goes zoom with a lightsaber. And the second one, there's no Luke like this. He's Jedi Knight Luke. Jedi Knight Luke's Luke with a green lightsaber and black clothes. Corporal Pig, or you could call him Helmet Pig for short. He's a pig. He's really strong in that game. Minion Pig. He's just a pig. You don't want him. Just like the other pig. 3 Sleepy Bird. He's from Angry Birds.